Welcome back in Life Science Academy classes. Today we can discuss the viral classification, and viral classification is basically based on the viral genome, and all of you know that viral either contain RNA or DNA. Sometimes virus contain in single-stranded RNA or double-stranded RNA, or it contain the single-stranded DNA or double-stranded DNA. Now, firstly, we can discuss the classification based on the RNA. In this type, the RNA classification basically virus contain either single-stranded RNA or double-stranded RNA as their genetic material. In single-stranded RNA, the first classification is the linear single-stranded segmented negative strand RNA. These types of viruses, genetic material basically present in influenza viruses and orthomyxoviruses or paramyxoviruses. Next type is the linear single-stranded positive strand RNA. This type of classification, this type of the genetic material basically present in the Picronaviruses. Picronaviruses is the family of the polio and rhinoviruses, and tobacco mosaic viruses, RNA bacteriophage, and mostly plant viruses basically contain the linear single-stranded positive strand RNAs. Then third type of the RNA classification is linear single-stranded negative strand RNA, and this type of the genome genetic material basically present is the rhabdoviruses. Rhabdoviruses is the family for the rabies viruses and paramyxoviruses. In paramyxoviruses family, basically mumps, measles types of the viral infectious diseases are present. Fourth one classification is based on linear single-stranded segmented positive strand RNA, and this type of the this type of the genetic material is basically present in Brome mosaic viruses, and fifth one is the linear single-stranded diploid positive strand retroviruses. Positive strand RNA. This type of the genetic material basically present in retroviruses. Retroviruses, the example of the retroviruses families are the basically HIV, AIDS viruses. And in the form of the double-stranded, the viruses which contain the double-stranded RNA, which contain in only linear double-stranded segmented RNA viruses. The example of this viruses is the reoviruses, phage size 6, mycoviruses, wound tumor viruses of the family. Basically, all types of the wound which present in the plants is caused by this family double-stranded RNA viruses. Now in this form, now next class is basically the broadly is defined to the DNA viruses, and this type of DNA viruses is further classified as the double-stranded DNA viruses and single-stranded DNA viruses. In double-stranded DNA viruses is basically classes in the four types. The first type is the linear double-stranded DNA viruses. The example of the linear double-stranded DNA viruses is the herpes viruses, Epstein-Barr viruses, adenoviruses, and T. coli phage lambda viruses, and bacteriophage. Second subclass is linear double-stranded DNA with single chain breaks. Linear double-stranded DNA with single chain breaks is the basically this types of the viruses is basically present in T5 polyphase. The structure of this types, linear double-stranded DNA with single chain break, is the sometimes basically DNA structure is like that. Here you can see the one chain is the DNA is intact mode, and the another chain is the break. third one is the DNA, double stranded DNA with cross-linked end. And this type of the genetic material basically present in the vaccinia and smallpox viruses. In this type of DNA, the DNA structure is basically cross-linked, like at the end, both DNA is cross-linked, and only one point. Second chain is break only at one point. So this type of DNA, this type of genetic material basically present in the vaccinia and smallpox virus. Fourth one is the closed circular double-stranded DNA, and this type is closed circular DNA. So the structure of this type of DNA is whole DNA is intact, closed circular, and this type of DNA is this type of genetic material basically present in the polyoma viruses. The example of the SV40 is the genus of this polyoma viruses family, and the papilloma viruses, PM2 phages, cauliflower mosaic virus, which is shortly known as the CMV viruses. The CMV viruses is basically in the CMV viruses basically closed circular double-stranded DNA is present. In single-stranded DNA, the single-stranded DNA basically further subdivided into the linear single-stranded DNA. The example of this type of the viruses is the parvoviruses, and the circular single-stranded DNA basically present in the 5-174 polyphase and M13 FD phages. And M13 FD phages, basically this type of the viruses basically mostly used in RDT, recombinant DNA technology. Here you can see the different type. They say you can see negative strand RNA and the positive strand RNA. What is the meaning of the negative and positive strand RNA? The positive strand RNA mean RNA is synthesized after the synthase. What is the meaning of the positive and negative strand? Positive strand means the viral genome is the identical to the viral messenger RNA, and negative strand means the viral genome is the complementary to the viral messenger RNA. Okay, so this classification is important for the GATE. Every year some one or two questions are asked for this classification for the from viral classification patterns. Okay, friends, thank you.